Hello, my law-conscious family. Welcome back to Legal Tips with Arrett. In today's video, I am going to walk you through a simple step-by-step process on how to legally start a business in Nigeria. Whether you are just getting started or looking to formalize your current venture, this guide will give you the practical tips you need to succeed. But before then, have you subscribed yet? I believe this is the right time to do so. Are we done yet? Thank you so much. The first step when embarking on your entrepreneurial journey is to make that decision about entering into the realm of business and identify the business structure that aligns best with your specific needs and aspirations. You need to decide on whether you see yourself thriving as your own boss, relishing the freedom that comes with being at the helm of your own business, or if you find satisfaction in the roles of supporting others while working within established organizations. When considering your options, you also need to decide whether a sole proprietorship, a partnership, or a limited liability company is the right fit for you. Now, let's break this down for ease of decision making. A sole proprietorship is one of the most straightforward and accessible forms of business structure, as it offers numerous advantages for individuals looking to venture into entrepreneurship. One very important benefit is the ease of establishment. Starting a sole proprietorship requires minimal paperwork and formalities, and this makes it an attractive option for aspiring business owners. The simplicity in sole proprietorship allows individuals to quickly turn their ideas into reality without being bogged down by bureaucratic processes. Sole proprietorship provides you with complete control over business decisions. As the sole owner, you have the freedom to make choices that aligns with your vision and goals without needing to consult partners or shareholders. This freedom can enhance creativity and innovation. Another key advantage of sole proprietorship is the personal connection owners can foster with their customers. Sole proprietors often find it easier to create tailored experiences and develop strong relationships with their clientele. This personal touch not only enhances customer loyalty, but also can lead to valuable word-of-mouth marketing. The benefit of operating a sole proprietorship is multifaceted, as it provides entrepreneurs with a unique blend of simplicity, control, financial efficiency, and personal engagement with customers. Now, partnership, on the other hand, fosters a sense of shared purpose and responsibility, allowing members to pool their resources, expertise, and skills to achieve common goals. This synergy amplifies their effort and also encourages innovation and creativity as diverse perspectives come together from the different partners to solve problems and explore new opportunities. The multiplicity of persons involved in partnership provide access to new networks, markets, and audiences, broadening the reach and influence of each partner. By collaborating with others, individuals and organizations can leverage complementary strengths, which often leads to increased efficiency and effectiveness. This collaboration can also facilitate knowledge sharing, where each partner gains insight and experience that can improve their own practices. Partnerships create a support system that promotes resilience in the face of challenges. When obstacles arise, having trusted allies to navigate difficulties together can make a difference. Additionally, the morale and motivation of team members can be enhanced as individuals feel more connected and valued within a collaborative environment. Partnership offers avenue for resource sharing and collective action, and also a rich framework for innovation, support, and growth. Embracing partnership can lead to remarkable outcomes that wouldn't be possible in the isolation associated with sole proprietorship. The power of working together, and then the limited liability company. It is worth noting here that the majority of aspiring entrepreneurs tend to favor the limited liability company structure due to its advantages. In addition to the benefit derived from sole proprietorship and partnership, a limited liability company offers personal liability protection, safeguarding your personal assets from business-related risk. It also enhances the credibility of your business in the eyes of clients, stakeholders, and potential investors. Now, you've known this. It is important to take a moment to thoroughly evaluate the benefit of each option. Align them with your unique business goals and vision for the future. By doing so, you can make an informed decision that sets the foundation for your success in the business world. Next, when you make up your mind whether it is going to be sole proprietorship, partnership, or limited liability company, you need to secure a unique name you have chosen for your business by visiting the Corporate Affairs Commission, either using a lawyer or visit their office or website. You will conduct a name search to ensure your desired name is available. Once confirmed, reserve the name. After reservation, complete the business registration process by filling out the necessary forms. Typically, you will need to prepare documents such as the memorandum and articles of association, details of directors and shareholders, proof of address for the office. The CAC website is quite user-friendly and provides guidelines on fees and document requirements. Depending on your industry, you may need additional permits or licenses or certifications. Research your industry's requirement and apply for this permit as early as possible. Securing all the necessary approvals will help prevent any interference when you launch your business. Once your business is registered, the next step is tax compliance. Register for a tax identification number with the Federal Inland Revenue Service. Your tax is essential not only for tax purposes, but also when you want to open a business bank account. A dedicated business bank account is necessary for keeping your finances organized and ensure transparency. Remember, keeping your personal and business finances separate is a key part of good business practice. Congratulations, you are set up, but that's not all. You have to stay compliant. This means keeping detailed financial records and meeting annual filing requirements. Renew your business registration with the CAC on time and always file your tax returns by the stipulated deadlines. You can invest in simple accounting software to help you track your income and expenses and make taxation a lot less stressful. And if you ever feel unsure, consulting a legal or financial advisor can save you time and money in the long run. And there you have it, a practical guide to legally starting a business in Nigeria. I hope you found these steps clear and helpful. If you did, please hit the like button, subscribe to Legal Tips with Harriet, and share your thoughts or questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching and remain blessed.